Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we'll be working on the Forester. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell to stay up to date with my builds. With that being said, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, in this episode, I'm going to be installing a 3-port boost solenoid from Grimspeed and a performance air filter. So there's a little mushroom one from SAS. So what we need to do is, once again, blow the leaves off the front of this. We need to check that all the fittings are tight on all the ANs for the oil. Check the oil, start it up and bring it in. Alright guys, just checked all the AN lines for the oil. They are good. This is the first time I'll be starting it with the new slush pot, I guess you'd call it. So I'll check the oil level, and then later tonight when we're in here, I'll check it again because there will be some oil in that can. So let's do it. Got to blow it off. Right, oil is good. I think all the electricals are plugged in. Haven't started it for quite some time now. The battery has been disconnected from the master switch. So hopefully it fires up and we'll get her in. And we'll see you tonight. Let's do a start up hopefully. Alright, it's a bit smoky in here. We'll figure that out later. But now, we've got to go pick up the boys, so we'll come out probably after dinner, after the boys are in bed, and we'll fit the parts. I'm excited! See you soon! Alright guys, I'm back. It's about 8 o'clock now. So, boost solenoid. Going to be replacing the stock one, and if I can, I'll have it in that same location. Should be enough room there. So we do only have one holding it on, and the other tab was up here. But I did chop that off so I could put the cover on there. Let's go ahead and unbox the Grimspeed one. Alright. There it is. Pretty simple. Let's see. Thank you. I've packaged it. Got some backing line with it. Got a sticker. And no instructions. Let's go ahead and chop that open. Right, so this is 2002 to 2005 WRX, so it should fit this one. So it should be a plug and play. So chop it open and mount it. Alright guys, so I've just taken the 10mm off, just disconnected the plug. Alright, so we only have one going to it at the moment. So this boost solenoid is actually for a low mount turbo. So we need to fix this up. Alright, as you can see, we've done it like stock, but we've put this pill in here. I believe this is for my actual electronic boost controller that I've got inside the car. Now that I've got the solenoid, I probably don't even need that, and I can tune it. However, this one here, this goes up to the top. That's what I just pulled off. So I'm just going to chop it there, get off here, and that'll go onto there. And then I need to go to the wastegate and get a line from the wastegate up to that position. Alright boys, so what I might actually do is keep this pill in here and then just put the new silicone on from here back up to the controller, because I need this in here to be able to use the electronic boost controller that I got in the glove box, and hopefully it works with this new Grimspeed boost solenoid. So I'm sure if it doesn't work, the tuner that I decide to choose will let me know, and I'll tell them I've got that restrictor pill in there, and they can probably take it out and fix it up. I'm looking a bit rusty down here. Shouldn't have left her out. Alright, back to it. Alright, so I've got that connected. So we'll just route that with the other one. And bring that up. Got a bit of length there. Right, now we'll start hooking it up to the Grimspeed one. Alright guys, so with the original one, I need to actually take this little rubber grommet out and this bit of metal, and we'll insert it into this side. Alright guys, so you can see the ports on here. So number one, this one goes to the intake, which I haven't got. So at the moment, I'll just leave that open. Number two, that goes to the wastegate. Pretty sure. Number two goes to the wastegate, and number three goes to the compressor. So this one here is the compressor. That's number three. So actually, before I put anything on, I'm actually going to mount it so I know the length of hose that I need. Alright, so I just had it sitting on there, so I've got the lengths, and I'm going to put some cable ties on here so they don't pop off. So number one at the moment isn't being used. I might put a barb in here, maybe not. Anyways, yeah, I'm just going to leave that open, and yeah, I'll get some cable ties. Right, so I've gone ahead and just put some cable ties on there. Alright, let's mount it for real now. Alright, it's mounted. Just need to plug it in, which I probably can't do with one hand. Alright, let's plug it in. Pretty sure that's plugged in. Yep, it's not going anywhere. Alright, so this filter here will be changed up. It won't be there anymore. I'll be going across to this side here onto here. So it's kind of in the way at the moment. Should be okay. So let's get the SAS Performance air filter out and install that. Hopefully it fits. Not sure if it comes with, yes it does. Comes with a clamp. Let's see how this goes. Alright. Get in there. Alright, fits on. Perfect. Awesome. Now I just need to get 2 clamps on there. But anyway, that's all I was planning on doing for this short episode. Was the new air filter and the Grimspeed 3-port boost solenoid. So, if you like this episode, guys, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell to stay up to date with these builds. With that being said, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.